Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. This is Ravi Coach. Today we are going to talk about the toss. Last time also I did the toss lesson for the beginner, but today we are going to talk about the little bit advanced. So when you are going to toss nicely, what I said before also, that we are going to hold our racket like this and we are bouncing side. We have to stand just behind the service line, and then from here we are going to halfway down, and then after that my hand and my left hand and right hand going to apart and a little bit bending. So that one I already explained. So when we bounce, when we bounce, we are in the front foot, but when we are going to toss the ball, that time we come to the back foot, and then my hand apart and going to toss my ball like this. Okay, so that one I already said, but that time I told you can keep your ball in your hand like this. Okay, but now I'm going to say that if sometime elbow and wrist is not going to bend, because if you bend your wrist, that means it's not a toss, it is a throw. Okay, but toss means I will keep my ball here, and now you can see this one you can see my this finger, I'm keeping my ball like this, my two finger is down, these two finger is little up, so my ball is going to rest here. Okay, and then this one is very my thumb is going to just touch for support, okay, to control the ball, and then from here my hand is going down, my hand will go parallel to my baseline, and then I'm doing and like this. So you can see there is no spinning to the ball. So that one. So today I'm going to talk about that how we can do the nice toss like a pro. So first I want to give only two tips. They are coming first time for tennis. Then my first video was okay, but if anybody playing good, but sometimes they are not controlling the thing because in the higher level. So for that we are going to do for two tips. I will keep the ball to tip of my finger, okay, not on palm or in between of the palm and finger. My ball will be tip of the, so first one tip of my finger, and this one is here. So see now you can see my upper part of my ball is free. Okay, so I'm keeping here, I'm here, and then when I will toss the ball, I'm not going to use the wrist. Okay, so this one here, and I can do this. One more, this, and this is the one. So my ball is going to rest on tip of my finger. The second one. But sometime if I will do like this, a lot of players who are the juniors and advanced level also, they are using their wrist because this movement is too much. Can you see this? This movement is almost 160 degree. It is moving. So sometimes want also, but it is going to move. So you can't control. So sometimes I had seen that lot of players they are holding the ball like this. So you can see this movement is not much moving, very less, only 30 degree, okay, 30-40 degree only movement. So it is very less. So for that you can hold the ball like this, and see my thumb is going to support here, and then I'm going to toss the ball. So for this, if I'm here, maybe it will be roll, but here there is no roll. It is going up and do this. Okay, so that one, the thing, that one I wanted to. So first one, you keep your ball on the tip of your finger, and second one you try to use like this way, so your wrist movement is very less, and then you can do nice toss. And the second one more, I always said that this is the service motion. Okay, this is the throw. Service is a throwing motion. So sometimes for the kids, for practice, we can do like, for kids you can stay nicely with the sideway, and then we toss the ball and try to throw the ball. So you can hit the ball, try to keep your eye on the ball for longer. 1 and 2. You can see that. So 1 and 2. So like this they will do, so they can keep your, if they are not keeping the eyes, then what happened? they can't see the ball, and if they can't see, they can't hit. So if they will keep the eye like this and chest open, and then they will throw and try to hit the ball. So it is going to very nice exercise for the kids. So this is very nice thing, okay? I hope you can understand this one. This one also you can use. So thank you very much for watching, and keep watching our video. Please subscribe. Next we are going to do more about the service, okay? Thank you. Bye.